students. Like for example, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz and Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, and Jeffrey Sejo, and G. Macasandil. Have all of you are playing violence video games like GTA? Huh? You know Mark Domingo Cruz, I'm just saying to you, do you want to be influenced to Robin Nash that they are involved of shooting incident in the Tacloban National High School? Remember guys, I'm just calling out to Christian Mengito that Mark Domingo Cruz is playing GTA alongside with Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan to force me to throw me up in what is that, in the cliff, make myself that I was a character of Trevor. Oh, and even he put me in the car trunk. You know, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, I say to you, your death threats anyway, even you force me to drown me in a drop off in shore in Aurora, just like what happened to Rene Bartebonia and Divine Adili. Remember Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, can you just stop playing about violent video game like GTA? That's why you're influencing with those two minors, Robin Nash, for playing Gorebox. Oh, Gorebox and GTA or Grand Theft Auto is violence. That's why for Mark Domingo Cruz, he might be similar of Zach. You remember Zachary, the tutorial of Teacher May, who was playing what is that? GTA 5. Oh, do you remember Zachary? The tutorial of Teacher May to Show. Oh, he was being influenced on online games of violence like GTA. Oh, why you influence yourself to play GTA? Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. Ha? Why did you influence to play that fucking GTA 5? You know Mark Cruz, ha? I say to you, ha? You should never play GTA. GTA is really violence. Even you, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, you need to stop playing GTA. Both of you are influenced from Zachary, the tutorial of Teacher May for playing GTA. Oh, look at I remember Aterona. Oh, Aterona had reprimanded that her son don't play Gorebox. Oh, even GTA San Andreas. So Aterona is concerned. I said, Aterona told the children, oh, she said that wag kang maglaro ng Gorebox, violence yan. Oh, at least they listen. Oh, this is really hard to say to those even youths, even those people are playing GTA. It's violence. Unlike you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, do you want to be like Robin Nash for playing GTA alongside with Paulo Cruzada for playing GTA? Huh? Remember that. Like Paulo Cruzada, he was scolded by his parents because what he just do for playing GTA. Oh, GTA is violence. You know, I say to you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, you see what happened to the Thai teenager, 18 years old, 2008. That was year. I was not realized that in the age. He played GTA 4. That influence that he want to kill the taxi driver who was a taxi driver in Thailand, an 18-year-old. and he got a gun. That gun, it was not licensed. He influenced to play GTA. Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, have a shame to yourself, even to your mother. You're influenced to play GTA. Oh, you, Mark Cruz, even you, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, you're playing GTA 5 in PS5, and you're influenced of violence. You know, I'm just saying to the father of Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, lecture your daughter to not to stop playing violent video games like GTA. If I'm saying to both of you, if Sara Duterte become a president of the Philippines, if I want to appeal to President Sara Duterte, ban GTA in the Philippines. Just like the time of the past. During the time of Bongbong Marcos, he banned Gore Box in the Philippines following of the shooting incident in Tacloban, San Jose National High School. That was a school of the nephew of Ate Rona. Because you know that Gore Box is really violence. Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, you need to stop playing GTA because it's violence. Do you remember the nephew of Ate Dina Guillermo who was in Pangasinan? They stopped playing Gore Box because it's really violence. Unlike you, Mark Domingo Cruz, you didn't listen to Christian Mengito. You didn't listen to Ryan Chris Lucero. You keep playing about GTA. You pretend those characters in GTA. Who's that characters in GTA? I remember those names. Trevor. You mentioned all those characters in GTA. I just want to mention their names. You know, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, that GTA is violence. If you file me cases against me, Mark Cruz, I will file the cases against you, Mark Cruz. And you're saying me a bad words. You threaten me to throw me in the cliff, What if I say to you, Mark Cruz, if you threatened me to drown me in a drop-off, I will tell Teacher Vincent Ramos, I will tell him to kidnap Mark Domingo Cruz, bring him in Bolinao, and make sure he will be drowned in a drop-off if he was kidnapped in San Pedro, Laguna. Or I will tell Ate Hana as well. I will tell Ate Hana to kidnap Mark Cruz in San Pedro, Laguna. He'll be drowned in a drop-off. You know, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, have a shame to yourself. Even you, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. I will never forget that Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, she make a bomb joke at Davao City, at J. Rick Silva. I will never forget that Mark Cruz, that he says about, he gonna throw me in the cliff, in the car trunk. That just like what happened to Trevor in the character in GTA. Because those both of Imbasalt, they play GTA. They might influence on GTA. Like for example, bomb joke arson even throwing me in the cliff in the car trunk. That is violence. If I were say to you, Mark Cruz, this is why Luis Cabales had blocked you in Facebook. Luis Cabales had said to me, what does Luis Cabales said? Puro kasi violence talaga to si Mark Cruz. Wala siyang tinuturuan ng Diyos. You know, Mark Domingo Cruz, You're not teaching in Christianity. Just like I said, ikaw palang gago, I said to you, Mark Cruz. This is why J. Rick Silva is complaining me, you curse him a bad words in Instagram. Kaya pala nagsumbong si J. Rick. Oh, you know, Mark Cruz, I just say to you, if I want to tell to Christian Mingito, Christian, I am telling to you, if you're watching this in my video, in my YouTube blog, lecture your imbecile friend, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, to stop playing about GTA. This is why I'm saying his bad words anyway. It came from in GTA. Oh, because look at Bill Galang. He never played GTA. He stopped playing GTA because he listened to Teacher Ruti Barrientos. He listened to Teacher Bea Belmonte. He listened to me or he listened to Jens. Why? Bill had already stopped playing GTA. He wants to play Sims 4. Oh, that's an education game. That was the game that Carl Bilus and Terra Francisco, they play Sims 4. Oh, as I'm a video game advocate, as I'm a content creator, oh, Mark Cruz, you need to stop playing GTA because it's violence. Oh, I told to Jardino, if you have a PS5, don't play GTA 6. Oh, I told to Jared, it's better you can play in PS5, Need for Speed Unbound. Oh, that is a car racing. That's not really violence at all. Oh, for me, I don't want to buy a PS4 game like GTA. Oh, because it's violence. The only I like to play in PS4, Need for Speed. Oh, Call of Duty Modern Warfare. That's not really violence. Call of Duty Modern Warfare is soldier and military team. And Need for Speed is like racing cars. But they are not actually violence. You know, for me, some of those kids are playing violence. I advise to Ate Mayang, name RM. If you're watching this video, Ate Mayang, don't let RM to play Gore Blocks because it's violence. That's good to hear to RM to play Minecraft and Roblox. Oh, that's very educating. But for Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, you should imitate RM and Onyok for playing Minecraft and Roblox. You, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, you need to stop playing GTA. Like Paulo Cruzada, he was scolded by his parents for playing GTA. Oh, GTA is violence. You know what's the word GTA? Grand Theft Auto. Oh, it is violence. That's not good for the children can play any kind of games for the youth. Oh, I just want to tell you something. The GTA is really violence, Mark Cruz. If I want to say to you, you need to sell your pathetic PS4 game, the GTA. Oh, play any games that you like. Need for Speed. Oh, if you're a fan of Call of Duty, you play Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Oh, it's simple. Rather than playing that pathetic GTA. Because I know it's violent. So, you know, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, if you have a PS5, you can play Need for Speed Unbound. You can play Sims 4, oh, just like Bill Galang and Carl Bilus and Terra Francisco. Oh, you can play any kind of games. If I were you, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, you can play Call of Duty, Modern Warfare. Oh, you can play, what's kind of PS5 anyway? Oh, you can play, uh, um, any kinds of games. So, like Spider-Man. Oh, I tried the PS5 anyway. Spider-Man. You know, Mark Domingo Cruz and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Don't play immature video games about GTA. Because I know both of you have a trigger of violence. This could be cause of the influence of Zachary.